kanina, pinalabas ito ng 4 na pagkakataon. Nung first time noong 1996, nung ikalawang beses noong 1998, nung Centennial, at doon din yung panahon na una siyang tinanghal sa Amerika sa Kennedy Center. I believe it's the first Filipino dance piece na napalabas doon sa magandang teatro niya. Pinalabas din siya ulit noong 2008 at kaya ito yung ika-4 ng staging. Naisip namin na maganda siyang ipakita sa inyo para mas makita niyo yung context ng unang ginawa yung palabas. Kamusta, Jai? Sayo muna ako.
Adlib muna.
Siguro we can show it later. Maybe at this point we can invite the members of the creative staff and the dancers to come back. Let me introduce them. Once again, our librettist, former artistic director of Tanghalang Pilipino, noted filmmaker, theater actor, Mr. Dennis Maricel. We're also very honored today to have our set designer. Is he here? Yes, the very handsome Mr. Mio. We were talking earlier, he just won the Gawad Buhay for trumpets, Bluebird of Happiness, and he has Rock of Ages ongoing. I had the pleasure of dancing with Mio years ago, when we were much younger. I'd also like to highlight na isa sa magandang bahagi ng La Revolution Filipina ngayong taon ay yung pagkakaroon namin ng mga guest dancers. So yung isa sa magtatanghal bilang mabini ay si Sunny Locsin. Pamangkin siya ni Teacher Agnes pero lumaki rin siya dito sa CCP. Matagal siya naging estudyante dito at member ng Ballet Philippines, and for the past few years he's been dancing in Europe and Austria. So in Germany. So he will be rehearsing with us starting next week, and he will be performing with Ballet Philippines. Si Mr. Sunny Locsin, I think nasa lineup niya din. At this point, I'd like to invite the dancers to join. Mr. John Mark Cordero.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si JM Cordero at ako po isa sa mga gaganap na Apolinaryo Mabini. Muli magandang hapon. Ako po si Richard Sanyada at gagampanan ko si Emilio Aguinaldo.
Ako po si Earl Jan Arizola at ako gaganap bilang Andres Bonifacio.
At kabilang din sa aming mga bisita para sa palabas na ito, papakilala niya kanyang sarili.
Ako po si Cristel Bakibarma Maamon. Isa po ako sa mga babae sa triad. Guest artist po ako for Ballet Philippines.
Si Cristel ay former lead dancer din ng Ballet Philippines, pero nagsayaw na siya ng iba't ibang shows abroad, particularly for Hong Kong Disneyland and for Cirque du Soleil. At we're very proud to have her.
Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Nicolo Ricardo Magno from the Tanghalang Filipino Actors Company. Hindi po ako dancer. Gaganap po bilang Emilio Aguinaldo.
And of course, I'd like to call on Ballet Philippines' former artistic director and one of our country's best choreographers, Miss Agnes Locsin. We also have our lighting designer, Mr. Katch. Just to round up the artistic staff, we don't have today our costume designer, Victor Orsavia, and our composer, Ryan Gallagher. So at this point, maybe we can open up the floor para sa ilang mga tanong.
no questions.
O Q&A na tayo. Pwede mag-Tagalog. O Tagalog na lang.
Paul, as soon as the video is ready, kasi after Sarah, if you've seen the video, then you will really have questions.
Okay. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Mag-post muna tayo ng Q&A as what Ms. Agnes is suggesting. It is, I think, important. Panukurin muna natin yung video, pwede. So, tanggalin ko na itong mic sandali. Okay.